Let's review the Lettering and Monogramming tab on our MemoryCraft 1000. You'll find the same tab and features on the MemoryCraft 100E. When you open the tab, on the very top left, you'll find the two-letter A's, and this will open up all the lettering that we have, the different fonts, and as you page through, there's 6 pages. When you get towards the end of those, you'll see some normal and border sew designs. And then below that, we have 2-letter and 3-letter monograms. So I'm going to pop back and I'm going to go into our 2-letter monograms. Now these are preset. They have the little outer borders. There's several different outer borders that you can use on your letters, and then the letters are all down below, and you would just page through here to select the letters that you need. So this is a 2-letter. I'm going to select my the circle here, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick my letters that I want to put in there. And it presets them. Once I'm ready, I hit the OK. It goes right into my edit screen. If I want to do anything with it here, add something to it, I can. If not, I can just hit OK, and it'll go right to the Ready to Sew screen. Now going back, I'm going to actually delete that one, and I'll go back to the lettering again. So you can pick just the letter. You could pick just the letters like this, and it's going to give them the shape of just 2 letters together, but it grayed out any of the borders because I chose letters first. So maybe I don't want a border, and that's fine too. I could do my lettering, my monogramming with just the letters, so in case there's a time when you don't want any of those borders. You can't choose just a border without letters though. We'll go back in and we'll take a look at the 3-letter monograms. We'll page over one. So here, let's get going. Let's go back up here and go down one. There we go, to our 3 letters. Now with the 3 letters, you have those same borders, and they work the same. You would just pick one of these up here, and then you could put your letters in. And I think I'm going to put in my first name, and then what it'll do is it'll fill in the center, and I put my I actually put in the initial for my middle name, and I think I would like my last name initial there, so I'm going to use the trash can. I have to go back and choose that again. So you want to pick your first name, and then you want to do your last name, and then your middle initial. And there I have those on there, and we'll go ahead and take a look at that over here. Again, when I'm ready, I can just take that to our edit screen over here, or the Ready to Sew screen, I'm sorry, Ready to Sew, and we're ready to go here. If I wanted to go back and do any more, I could come back in and start again. And that's how to use our monogramming, both 2-letter and 3-letter.